goes first?
Prosecution gets to do a rebuttal and closing arguments, and then defense gets 5 minutes of closing arguments.
Oh.
And then, Mr. Hanson, you can take over and give the judge, give the jurors some last-minute instructions in that next room, and then they can vote. How about that? So you guys don't vote until you go back over there, okay?
We give a rebuttal, then they say, and they have
No.
No.
All right, 10 minutes. So these guys, 10 minutes.
Okay. Well, so my Evan's back for a second, because I see that was on. This footprint is in fact a bruise on Ophelia's stomach, as we stated the first time. They were clearly not listening, as before. Anyway, and then also Hamlet is hanging from a branch, so all his weight is not on the other branch. And when he kicks her, it forces the branch down, which breaks it, because if she was already standing on the branch, then it could support her weight. So the extra kick is what forced the branch to break, thus causing her death. They also actually, yeah.
Okay, if you said she wouldn't commit suicide, then how'd she die?
Yeah. They claim, the defense actually claimed, their first witness, as the defense said themselves, she would not kill herself, which supports our argument, because we said Hamlet killed her.
objection. Who said that it was an accident? The branch broke.
You'll have your chance.
Also, you called his mother to the stand. I don't think that that's like a good witness, because obviously the mother is going to defend their son either way. And plus, the mother was also in love with her son, and they had an affair together. So obviously, she's going to defend him.
Hamlet, you're sick.
He's just a horrible person. Yes.
Order!
Okay. Also, Ophelia said herself that she was so affrighted by Hamlet sneaking into her room at one point and essentially coming on to her as she was trying to reject him, which gives him another reason to kill her because she spurned his advances later on, after she was already pregnant. And they also claimed that Hamlet wouldn't be able to get to the place where their castle is because Denmark is a huge country. Denmark is not a big country at all, and it's also got a bunch of inlets in it. So it really would not take that long for them to get off a boat and go to wherever they were. So that one doesn't make much sense either. And their coroner, who was never actually present anywhere, for all we know that could have been from like the 1500s or something, and they don't have much medical knowledge at that point. Whereas ours has a PhD. We also don't know if the coroner has any education. They signed a check on a box saying, I don't think it was foul play. But we don't really know how well the coroner examined the person. Excuse me, there's no objections here. I just hear you guys talking. It was please have legal procedure. Great. And they also claimed there were contraceptives used and they couldn't prevail for medical confidentiality, but they couldn't even provide examples of any contraceptives available, so they could have just fabricated that entirely.
Sheep wool condoms?
You ever played Fable?
I haven't played Fable now.
Come on, man.
Hold on, I think I have one of those in my wall.
Wow.
Yeah. Also,
Been there for a while, huh?
with Gertrude's testimony saying that Hamlet did not kill Ophelia, Gertrude is Hamlet's mother, so she would want to protect him because he is her child, as mothers do. So, in conclusion, Hamlet murdered Ophelia because she was pregnant, and he hates children as illustrated by her quotes. And so he killed her by kicking her on the branch, which broke the branch, causing her to fall into the river, drowning. And we have the footprint on her stomach, which matches Hamlet's shoe. And it's a bruise footprint, not dirt, as they're claiming for some reason. And we also have a photograph of Hamlet murdering Ophelia, and our textual support for it. They never called Hamlet
said we
I said so, I walked over to you.
You walk over.
You're done.
You did, you walked away, you abdicated your position, you're gone.
That is.
Bebout, take him out. Hamlet who didn't speak, have a seat.
That's not my fault.
Yeah, it is.
So, are we up?
5 minutes.
Okay, can you, when I talk, can you do that for me or no?
No.
Can you do it just a 1 minute?
Somebody else here, take the time, or somebody in your side can do it.
Yeah, Jen, you do that.
Secretary?
Yeah, one of you guys do
We got it beat when it's done.
It is. It's actually.
Yeah.